hello to all my friends out there. And so I made one hellacious mess trying to make a chocolate banana smoothie. So I said, okay, this is time just to get some ice cream sandwiches. Not only that, ice cream sandwiches are good. Okay, so what happened was I was working a lot. And so you might be saying, well, what do you mean working a lot? You're retired. Oh yeah, that's true, but I still work. And what I do is I buy things and I sell them either at the swap meet or on eBay. And so, you know, I was shopping a lot. And then there's also, you know, listing the stuff on eBay. And so I'll show you. This is one thing I bought. This is a Mars watch. It's really pretty. It's got a pretty toggle clasp. See the pretty clasp? So what I am moving up a little bit in the inventory, going to all brand new items. This is pretty. And then I bought these Oscar de la Renta sunglasses. They're bone and black. These are pretty, and you know, I will sell them. So, okay, so that made me do some work, and then that made me have, you know, terrible, you'll notice sometimes, you know, I spill everything, but, you know, I don't want to stop doing anything. I do everything. So, okay, so I was going to make bread, but then I burned my plastic bread and plastic bag on my grill, which messed up my grill. And then today when my smoothie came apart, I messed up my blender. So, you know, my kitchen is just like kind of sticky and awful. So, okay, I'm making biscuits instead because I need some bread. This is a good thing to store because then you won't run out of bread. And I like this one because all you need is water, and I bought it for about $1. So this is about 14 ounces, and so that'd be about 2 cups. So I have 1 cup biscuit mix and about a half a cup of water. And I use all bottled water if I am going to eat it or drink it. And so if my biscuits are a little bit too wet, that's okay. But if they were a little bit too dry, that wouldn't be so good because, you know, then my biscuits would be dry. And so I grease my pan with shortening. Now this is another thing to keep in the stockpile. So, okay, so I just want to make some drop biscuits. So the thing about biscuits is these are going to make some nice big biscuits. You don't want to stir your biscuits too much. So, you know, if you make, I just want to make 2, 3 nice hefty biscuits. Okay, and then another thing I started doing, and I really love this stuff, is giving my biscuits a few shots of this buttery cooking spray. Then they're going to be nice, and so I'm going to bake those. Okay, now, I'm excited because I got a new recipe. What happened was I got a new cookbook at the thrift store, and so one of the things I sell is books on eBay. And so on Sundays at this one thrift store I go to, the books are on sale, and I got 3 of these for 35 cents. And here's what I'm making. I'm making heavenly hash, and I'm using my turkey meat, hamburger, but I'm using turkey burger, raw potatoes, onions, canned gravy. I'm using my packet, parsley, thyme, and salt. So this is a great recipe because I have everything. And what I'm going to do is, that's for an electric skillet, but I'm just going to make mine in this. Okay, and I wanted to mention something. So, okay, here's my potatoes. I'm going to use dry onions. I have parsley. I have thyme. I bought this at 99 cents only, and I really like it. But And I thought, well, I'm not switching turkey meat. And then I thought, well, that is really stupid because this week, 1 pound, 16 ounces is on sale at Walgreens. So I go, well, I go over there every day, just get 2 or 3 pounds of turkey meat and throw it in the freezer. Okay, so in my stockpile, and these come in handy, here are my gravy mixes, and I put them in a bag so no dust will get on them. And then I also have coupons. You know you're going to need toilet paper, so I also have coupons for toilet paper. So I'll use those at 99¢ only. So, okay, you guys, those were some pretty scrappy videos. But, you know, I think in the end it's all good. So this is really cute. And this is really funny, you know. The people I sell my stuff, and I am very buyer friendly. I sell my stuff very, very reasonable. And, you know, so far, and let's hope nobody messes me up, I have 100% satisfaction rate. This is really, really nice. Marcasite and some kind of polished quartz stone, agates. I like the southwestern style jewelry, and it seems to sell good. So, okay, you guys, God bless you all.